Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. Hopefully today it's a shorter video. So today what I'm doing is we are going to install a radar detector on the 23 Range Rover Sports. What I wanted to do is install it in a way where we don't have to cut any wires. Did some of the research. I think I found what I need, so we're gonna go ahead and get this process started. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. Okay guys, so I think there's a connector in here in the mirror. There's a buttons in here, so I'm pretty sure what I'm gonna try to do is basically separate this thing. There's a little opening here. We're gonna try to pop this guy open. There we go. One of them comes out. All right. Okay guys, I got it out. Okay, we're gonna try to use this connector here. Let me take this thing out, guys. Okay, so this is the connector we're going to use. Okay, let me show you guys what I bought, and then we're gonna see if this works. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is what I bought. This little guy here, we bought it on Amazon during our research. I'm assuming, I'm hoping this will work really well. Here's a QR code. If you guys are interested, scan that and then you'll be able to buy the same thing, and I'll put the link in the description down below. So based on what I already did, this look like is the connector. This comes into the box, and you have this little, basically a little power adapter for it. Has an extra USB if you need to add something else to it. So this will stick on to the windshield kind of like this, and this will get power for any of these connectors. Hold on, let me take them out. Let me show you guys real quick. So it comes with, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different connectors, guys. One of these should work for your car or whatever device. There's USB-C, USB-A, USB 2. There's a, I forgot what this one is called. You gotta figure one of them is going to work. But anyway, guys, so we're gonna take this guy with me, that guy with me, these connectors. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already took this thing out. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm just trying to find a good spot to basically stick my radar. Okay guys, let's try it again. All right, that seems to be okay. This is our radar, guys. It's a Valentine V2. Just gonna put it right here. Let me test the connector. So this should go in here and make sure it connects into it. All right, it does connect to it, and then we piggyback off it to go into the mirror. Maybe it goes side. I don't remember how I did it. Maybe the top. Okay, that's connected. All right, so now I'm gonna push this to the side a little bit. There we go, there you go. So it should stay like that, guys. All right, now we're gonna connect this guy here. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the radar, guys. I found for the Valentine, you need this connector here. Okay, you put it in the Valentine. We're gonna see if it works. Boom. And then one of these connectors, the way it makes on the other side is a little power adapter. One of them would have power, so you should be able to connect this guy here. Okay, now we're gonna turn on the car and see. It works, guys. It works. Hopefully we don't get any error messages. Let's see. All right guys, I don't see any error messages, so I'm assuming this is good. So mission on. All right, turn this guy off. Let's unplug this guy. Okay, now it's a matter of finding out. Okay guys, I hope you are able to see. So I finally figured out like a really nice spot for the radar detector, and my cable goes here underneath the radar, actually on top of the radar detector. So my little power adapter is going to be right here, so you can't even see it unless I tell you it's there. So I'm going to put it backwards so I have a little bit more room for the connector, which is I think I like it like that. We're just gonna wipe it a little bit down, and then we're gonna take out the 3M tape and stick this bad boy in here. Okay guys, now just to be sure, we're gonna connect this guy. All right, we're gonna put it right up here. Okay, that's just enough cables. Now we're gonna try to hide. Okay. All right, guys. I think it looks really, really, really good. All right, guys. I think that looks good. It's off. Okay, so guys, I think this is pretty much done. I think the cable looked good. You almost don't know if it's even there. Yeah. Okay, now guys, now we gotta put these little covers back in here. I think they are directional. They slide in. Hold on, I'm gonna have to move the mirror a little bit. Oh, there you go. It was that easy. All right, guys. Mission accomplished. Okay, here it is, guys. I don't know if you're able to see it. This is the Valentine. It's in quiet mode basically, so that's why you can see it, but it's definitely on. As you can see, my little FitDVR is on, so it is powering the radar. If I don't tell you it's there, you would not know. So I think mission is accomplished. We got power from here, routed all the way up here, and we put the little power bank right there, which power this guy here. So that was a nice little install, guys. I love these little install. All right, that's all she wrote. Alright guys, this little install is all set. I'm going to put everything in the description down below if you guys are interested. You should be able to purchase it from Amazon. Anyway, like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Till the next time, peace.